I am Lakshmi, working as an assistant professor in ECE department from PSR Engineering College. Today we discuss the topic digital image processing in histogram. First we discuss about the histogram of an image. So before we going this, we know the what is an image. Image is a two-dimensional function f of x comma y. X, y are the spatial coordinates. So histogram of an image means histogram is the graphical representation of an image. So histogram of an image provides the global description of an appearance of an image. So it is used for the image enhancement technique. Image enhancement means we have to improve the certain characteristics of the original image or increase the features of an image. So information obtained for histogram is very large in quantity. So representation of an histogram is two methods. First method, we have to represent x-axis in gray level values, in y-axis we have to represent frequencies. Second method, we have to represent x-axis will be the gray level values, in y-axis we have to represent number of pixels values or probability of the pixels. So it is the example of the histogram equation, histogram of an image. So it figure represents the gray level values present in the digital image. So gray level values means முடியலடா தண்ணியை குடிச்சா சரி சொல்கிறேன். So gray level values present in the digital image. So gray level values obtained from 0 to 7. So 0 and 1s are not present in that digital image. So we have to consider as 0. 2 of the gray level values present in that image is 3 times. So 2, 1, 2, 3. So 3 has occurred in the 4 times, 4 and 5, 4 occur as 4 times, 5 and 6 are occurred in 5 times in a digital image. 7 has the 4 times occurred in that digital image. So this is the histogram of an image. So histogram means graphical representation. So we have to represent the gray level values in x-axis, number of pixels values in y-axis. So zeros and ones are occurred, there is no times in the pixels. So in the digital image. So 2 occurred in the 3 times. So this is value is 3. 3 has occurred in 4 times. 4 has occurred in 4 times. 5 and 6 are occurred in 5 times. 7 has occurred in 4 times. This is the representation of histogram in an image. Next. So next, image contrast. So image contrast is of a grayscale image, indicates the how easily object in the image can be distinguished. So we have to consider gray level image has two types, low contrast image, high contrast image. In low contrast image, the intensity values are distinct in nature. Intensity value means gray level values. Next, low contrast image, the images used few intensity values. So this is the example of an histogram. So consider the 4 types of image. First image is dark image, next bright image, low contrast image, high contrast image. In dark image, the black pixels values are high. So we have to represent in gray. In x-axis we have to represent gray level values, in y-axis number of pixels values. So gray level values of the 0 means black image. So black is represented in 0. So consider the 4 images. First we have to discuss about the dark image. So gray level values in black and white image, so 0 to 255. 0 means black image, black pixel value. 255 means white pixel values. In dark image, black pixels values are high. So we have to gray level values in histogram, minimum positions, 0 to some minimum position values. In bright image, white pixels are high. So we have to discuss 255 image. 255 pixel is a high white image, represent the white image. Next, low contrast image, in the histogram, the pixel values present in the centered part. In high contrast image, distinguished in nature. Next. So image histogram. This represent x-axis represented by the intensity values or gray level values. Y-axis is the number of pixels values. So 0 to 15 intensity values are given. So the pixels value high 10 pixels with the intensity value I is equal to 2. So we have to consider what is an intensity value of 6 of an image means intensity value of pixels 6 means it have the 5 pixels. Next, at the image of the histogram. So, image of the histogram of a digital image with gray levels in the range 0 to L minus 1 is a discrete function. So, L minus 1 means number of gray levels. Suppose the gray level values are 8, 0 to 7. So, 8 number values are occurred. L means number of pixels values. So, L highest value is 8. 8 minus 1 means 7. So, 0 to 7 is a discrete function. So, h of rk is equal to nk. Rk means gray level, kth gray level values. Nk means number of pixels in the image having gray level rk. Next, at the normalized histogram. So, normalized histogram means dividing of each values by the total number of pixels in an image. So, pixel values, suppose we have to consider kth pixels or 5th pixel value. So, nk divided by n means total number of pixels. So, k means 0 to L minus 1. So, 0 to 7 pixels values. P of rk gives an estimate of the probability of occurrence of gray level rk. The sum of all the components normalized is equal to 1. Histogram equalizations. So, histogram equalization means pixels values have the same gray level values. Pixels values have the same intensity values called the histogram equalization. So, spreading out the frequencies in an image is a simple way to improve the dark or washed out the image. So, it can be expressed as the transformation of the original image. So, Sk is equal to transformation T of Rk. Next. So, S equal to T of Rk, R means R values lies between 0 less than equal to 1. So, the transformation function satisfy the following condition. Two conditions the transformation function will satisfy. First one is T of Rk is a single valued and monotonically increasing in the interval 0 to 1. Next one, T of Rk in the transformation function values lies between 0 to 1 and R value is also lies between 0 to 1. So, example of the histogram equalizations. So, we have to give the image. It is an gray level values of a digital image. So, f of x comma y is equal to the values. So, it is the histogram equalized image value, digital image value. So, gray level values 0, 1, 2, 3. Why we put highest gray level values is 5? Because the highest value of this digital image, the gray level value is 5. So, we have to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, number of pixels means 0 and 1 does not occur in that digital image. So, 2 occur 0 times and 3 occurred in 6 times in an image. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4 has occurred in 14 times, 5 has occurred in 5 times. 6, 7 has not occurred in that digital image. Next. So, it is the table. So, we have to tablet first gray level values, next number of pixels in an image. Next one, the PDF means probability distribution functions. So, probability distribution function formula means nk divided by sum. So, nk means number of pixels, sum means, so we have to add the number of pixels in a digital image. So, sum is equal to 25. So, PDF probability distribution function means nk divided by sum. So, we have to number of pixels divided by 25. So, 0 divided by 25 0, 0 divided by 25 0, 0 divided by 25 0, 6 divided by 25 means 0.24, 14 divided by 25 means 0.56, 5 divided by 25 0.2. So, 0 0. Next, CDF means cumulative distribution function. So, SK is equal to T of Rk in first. So, we have to add. So, we have to add probability distribution functions. So, 0. So, previous values added, so 0, so added 0, 0 plus 2, 0.24, 0.24, 0.24 plus 0.56 is equal to 0.8, 0.8 plus 0.2, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. So, we have to histogram equalized value. So, we have before we going this Sk into 7, 7 means number of pixels in an image. So, multiply cumulative distribution function with 7. So 0.24 is multiplied by 7 is 1.68. 8 into 7, 5.6. So 1 into 7, 7. So we have to histogram equalized on level means we have to round up these values. 1.68 means round up value is 2. 5.6 means 6. So this is the histogram of a given image. So given image, the gray level value is 0 to 7. Histogram equalized value is 0 to 0, 0, 2, 6, 7, 7. So first value we have to discuss what is gray level value is 0. 0 we give the histogram equalized on level 0. So 1, 2 also 0. 3 gives the 2 value. So this is the 2. 4 has the 6. 5, 6, 7 has the 7, 7. So this is the example of the histogram equalized image. Thank you.